Hello everyone, welcome back to A to Z Bodyform. In today's video, we will be discussing what are the top 9 foods to help your kidneys function healthier. Did you know that poor kidney function affects nearly 10% of the US population? Kidney disease is actually one of the leading causes of death in this country, with over 10,000 people dying each year from diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Fortunately, you can help your kidneys do their job better by including these 9 superfoods in your diet. These foods have shown to promote kidney health and reduce the risk of future renal issues by strengthening the organ's natural filtration system and preventing injury from free radicals that may be present in your regular diet. Let's get started. Food number 9. Berries. Berries are excellent kidney detoxifiers, removing waste products from your blood. It's recommended that you eat half a cup of berries every day. Berries also contain natural antioxidants, which improve overall kidney health and can reduce painful urination. They are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, B6, and potassium, as well as calcium and iron. Berries make a delicious treat just about any time of the day. Enjoy them for breakfast, dessert, or snack time. Some of our favorite berries include blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. You can mix it up by using frozen berries instead of fresh ones. Frozen fruits retain many nutrients found in fresh fruits and allow you to conveniently add more fruit into your diet. Frozen fruits are picked at their peak ripeness, so they will taste great even when out of season. Look for 100% fruit juices that don't have added sugar or artificial sweeteners, such as high fructose corn syrup, HFCS. You should look for juice that is either squeezed from whole fruit or 100% pure juice with no additives like HFCS, citric acid, sodium, artificial flavors, or colors added. Use fresh squeezed juices rather than processed drinks if possible, since processing removes some nutrients found naturally in whole fruit. Food number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K, which may improve kidney function, as well as magnesium and potassium. Eating broccoli can help reduce arterial stiffness and lower blood pressure, according to a 2009 study published in the Journal of Nutrition. Broccoli also contains phytochemicals and antioxidants that may protect against several cancers. They are especially effective at fighting hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. Additionally, broccoli is an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber has been shown to have a positive effect on reducing LDL cholesterol levels and maintaining normal bowel movements by increasing stool bulk. Fiber is essential for good health because it helps slow down digestion, keeping you feeling full longer so you're less likely to overeat. Food number 7. Cauliflower. This vegetable is low in calories and high in fiber. A cup of cauliflower contains 23% of our daily fiber needs. It also contains vitamins C, K, B6, and folate. Eating plenty of cauliflower can reduce inflammation that leads to kidney problems. In addition, it can lower blood pressure levels, which are a risk factor for chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, cauliflower is a great source of antioxidants called glucosinolates, which have been shown to protect against cell damage. One way to enjoy more cauliflower is by eating roasted chips with hummus or tahini sauce. For another tasty recipe, check out cauliflower Alfredo on Bon Appetit's website. If you're not into cauliflower, try other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Food number 6. Spinach. Spinach is rich in antioxidants and aids in detoxification. Spinach also contains vitamin B, which reduces inflammation. Therefore, it helps clear out harmful waste products from your body. Kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins out of our bloodstream. Thus, they are susceptible to toxic buildup and damage from free radicals. You can eat spinach by mixing it with cooked rice, or have it raw as a side salad, or steamed in microwaved veggies. Kale is a great alternative for those who don't like spinach's bitter taste or texture. For those who dislike greens such as kale and spinach due to their strong taste, yogurt masks their flavor very well when you mix them together in a soup bowl. Food number 5. Nuts. Nuts are a fantastic source of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats that can be easily added to any diet. In addition, they're also high in vitamins and minerals. Just a handful of nuts each day can go a long way toward helping you maintain good kidney health. They are also an excellent source of magnesium, which may protect against type 2 diabetes if consumed regularly over time. Magnesium is essential for converting food into energy and helps muscles relax while exercising or at rest. So it's especially important for anyone who participates in sports or other intense physical activity on a regular basis. Choose almonds, cashews, peanuts, hazelnuts or filberts, Brazil nuts, and walnuts when snacking on nuts. Almonds have more fiber than all the others. Food number 4 is chicken. Chicken is a great low-fat option and also rich in protein. Just 3 ounces contains as much protein as an egg, while containing only 120 calories. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that when both resistance-trained men and women consumed diets containing more than 3 ounces of chicken per day for 10 weeks, their total testosterone levels increased by 20%. Not only will you build muscle eating chicken, but it's a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming at least 2 servings of chicken per week has been shown to reduce triglyceride levels and inflammation, which may be important factors in preventing kidney disease. Additionally, 1 serving of chicken provides 30% of your daily value for vitamin B6, which can help lower homocysteine levels. High homocysteine levels are associated with high blood pressure and vascular disease risk. This can cause issues with blood flow to organs like your kidneys and brain. Finally, there are some studies that show consumption of poultry products helps against renal cell carcinoma, RCC, one type of kidney cancer. Food number 3. Beans, legumes. Beans are an excellent addition to any diet. They're high in protein, low in calories, and fat-free, and a good source of iron and zinc. Plus, beans can protect against certain types of cancer. They contain special antioxidant compounds called phytates that help protect cells from free radicals and may also boost production of tumor-suppressing hormones. Add beans, kidney or other varieties to soups, stews, or salads for extra health benefits. Try adding kidney beans to chili, or serving red kidney beans with a green salad for lunch. For dinner, pair black beans with brown rice and grilled chicken breast. Mix lentils into sautéed vegetables. Serve garbanzo beans over whole grain pasta. Add chickpeas to curried dishes like soup or stew. Make bean dip by pureeing cooked garbanzo beans with garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. Serve it with pita chips as an appetizer at your next party. Food number 2. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which can help protect against kidney stones. The seeds are easy to incorporate into any diet and make a great addition to smoothies or yogurt. They are also delicious sprinkled on salads and cereal, or as an ingredient in granola bars or baked goods. Flaxseed has also been shown to decrease inflammation, a major factor contributing to chronic kidney disease. According to research published in Clinical Nutrition, flaxseed supplementation may be beneficial to those with type 2 diabetes who have elevated levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker for inflammation. If you already have chronic kidney disease, talk to your doctor before adding flaxseed to your diet. It may not be safe for everyone. And food number 1, whole grains, flour. Fiber is important for everyone's digestive system, but it's especially essential for those with kidney disease. Fiber helps prevent constipation, which can cause hemorrhoids, irritation, and swelling of your digestive tract by keeping everything running smoothly. Whole grains and legumes are great sources of fiber. Think brown rice, whole wheat bread, lentils, beans, and oatmeal. For example, a half-cup serving of cooked bulgur wheat contains 2 grams of fiber, while a cup of cooked lentils has 8 grams. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. For reference, there are 4 grams in 1 slice of whole wheat bread. Remember that eating more fiber will also increase how many calories you're consuming. Try to get at least 10% of your daily calories from fiber if you have kidney disease. Whole grains, fruits, and veggies are all rich in potassium, an essential nutrient for people with kidney disease. Potassium helps maintain blood pressure levels and normal heart function. It's also good for preventing fatigue and muscle cramps. Since low potassium can cause electrolyte imbalances in your body. While there is no cure for kidney disease, early detection can improve quality of life and slow down further damage. With a healthier diet, extra water intake, and exercise, you can take control of your health. If you're looking for ways to boost your overall health even more, opt for whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates, such as white rice or pasta. The more processed something is, and flour is about as processed as it gets, the more likely it will hurt rather than heal your kidneys. Research has found that drinking plenty of water and keeping an active lifestyle also helps stave off kidney damage. And while you may think that caffeine is bad for your kidneys, research suggests otherwise. Moderate amounts have been shown to be beneficial in protecting against kidney disease. So if you're concerned about your health, try adding some of these 9 foods into your daily routine. You may just find yourself feeling better, faster than expected. We hope you enjoyed learning about these foods. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.